mag-aral na mapapamahal ako sa iyo. Dictionary ka ba? Yes. Kasi you meaning to my life. Proudly ka ba? Kasi I love you from the bottom of my heart. Ngayon ako mapapasa ng may good. Kasi ka, me and you. I would like to acknowledge the presence in our audience today here in UP Visayas, the following admissions. UP Visayas Miagao. Yes. Long Island Technology University. West Visayas State University. St. Louis College. St. Paul University. John Maxwell Foundation, University of Illinois. And University University. Inigo Doctor College. Inigo City Community College. Lakay Certification. Asked me to explain the program of government to the Inigo constituency. I can't do that. Start written without explanations alone. My program of government is 37 pages. So I just give you a sample of why I want to be president. At sa ko yan, tutulong niya ito umuwi sa UP. Pinatulang ng kapit nga kami di ba? Ako nga. Iba na niya ka mo. Marila talaga ng mga presidente. Na anong ilang anong basic sa ilang act for election? Anong karapatan nila tumakbo? Ang UP Visayas mahirap pasukin. Kasi kukuha ka pa na entrance lang. Kaya lang yung presidente. Dapat na kami kinuha ng entrance lang. Offer nila sa ating mga kasunanwa. Kundi na, laos lang nila. Sabi na, dapat nila sa senior ko lang sila. Ang mga imo, ang mga president ng debate, nagpamangkot ang amon na host. Tapos, why kayo naman isa pamangkot ka? Dati-dati ko niya kaya sa mga memorial niya. He wrote of course, the objection to be, objection your honor, the answer is not responsive. Ano po yung example of our program of government? Ending poverty and reducing unemployment. We have to invest in our people. Alright, here are the concrete steps. Number one, either raise the minimum wage to living wage or lower income taxes to reduce in order to increase spending power on ordinary employees. Support the Digital Transfer Program that is funded to administration to be sponsored in the Senate. The Digital Transfer is funded in the Government Assistance Program with a Grant for Work program where the repeated families program. Kaya kasi kayo natapos na, may kanyang subok. Complement the CCT program with a Grant for Work program, where beneficiary families whose mother or father lives for work will get higher benefits. Kasi hindi naman roll out yun eh. May mga kondisyon yung para magkuha ka sa contract sa CCT. Una, kailangan mo kataan mo, o ikalawa, isa sa mga kukuha, pagdiktanan mo, may ubra. Implement the CCT program jointly with local government units to reduce the administrative costs of running the CCT program and promote ownership of the program among local officials, and establish a national congressional commission that will prepare legislative proposals for dealing with poverty as, quote, a condition of daily humanitarian, unquote, based on expert policy values to be mandated specifically from state to universities. So, these are my proposals for creating jobs. Ang mga ginagawa na ako ang problema. Kung sino mga kandidato ko katulad ito mag-sino ko anong problema, bad hasi. Wala ka na hindi. Ang pinaka-importante, nakakalat ko na mag-graduate kita. Isa dahil sa kapaglay ng mga eskwelahan na yung Visayas. Nag-graduate. Hindi na sila makadto, kaya wala sa mga obra. That is my proposal. And then, to reduce unemployment and underemployment by ending the taxation. Instead of economic integration, creating national industries to increase job opportunities for skilled workers in the Philippines to prevent migration of workers, and creating more jobs per sector, especially in science and technology, and infrastructure industry. Pakita naman sa inyo kung anong programa ng gobyerno ko. Disaster risk reduction and management. Disaster risk reduction? Kasi matanda na pagka-presidente, mga disaster. I want to ask, in this grand old city of Iloilo, where is the glory? Where is the grandeur of this great city, the focus of education in the Philippines for decades? We produce distinguished men and women who are now the roster of our heroes. Where is the hero for Iloilo at this time? Diba pa mga ito lang itaya kung kasi mo tayo yung bola sa inyo. Sinayari ako na mo. Kapromesa ka. Pero naman tapos mo. Hindi na talaga promises. Baka na yung accomplish so far. Ang sa kumahayin mo akin, para magkuha ka sa bayan ng gobyerno. Nga pakuha ko sila tanan, kami tanan, sa IQ test. So today, as a graduate of the UP Design, as an Ilonggo was born and bred in the city, and went to market almost every day in the bus. Today I ask you, convince, persuade your friends and those nearest to you to use their wits this election. Ano kaya yung kaputo nila yung kasama nila? O nanipit? Nabangan na may cancer kaya ito stage 4. the last stage. So I said, God, you've given me a full life. I'm ready to go anytime you're ready. But he was never ready. I waited for God to have me killed. Nobody came to kill me. So I decided I can run for president of the Philippines as an Ilongga. I'm happy to hear what I usually recite to an audience such as you, intelligent, responsive, and articulate. It comes from the poem Invictus